Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate garnish. First, choose your favorite chocolate, whether it's dark, milk, or white. Gently melt it using a double boiler or microwave, being careful not to overheat. Once smooth, spread a thin, even layer onto a piece of parchment paper or a clean baking sheet. Let it cool for a few minutes until it's just starting to set but still pliable. This is the perfect consistency for creating beautiful shapes. Now for the fun part, shaping. To make chocolate curls, use a sharp knife or a bench scraper to gently scrape across the slightly set chocolate, creating delicate ribbons. For elegant shards, simply break the fully cooled chocolate into irregular pieces. You can also pipe designs, like leaves or intricate patterns, directly onto parchment paper using a piping bag filled with melted chocolate. Let these set completely for a crisp finish. Elevate your garnishes with some creative touches. Tempering your chocolate will give it a beautiful, glossy sheen and a satisfying snap, making your creations more professional. For extra sparkle, dust your finished garnishes with edible glitter or colored cocoa powder. You can also press finely chopped nuts, dried fruit, or even sprinkles into the melted chocolate before it sets, adding both flavor and interesting texture to your decorative pieces. Proper storage ensures your chocolate garnishes remain perfect until use. Keep them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and any sources of heat or humidity. The refrigerator is usually too humid and can cause blooming, so avoid it if possible. For the best presentation, add your beautiful chocolate garnishes to your desserts just before serving to prevent them from melting or losing their crispness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.